Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a temp report for Kenneth in Georgia on the new Ranger RCI 99N4. Kenneth, I got it ready to go for you, bud. You wanted the tune alignment and also the clarifier unlocked, and we did just that. Let's get right to it. The RF power all the way down. 250 watt slug in AM. Just a hair under 25 watts all the way down. 125 all the way up. Now I'm going to show you average power swing. Hello. About 210, 215 bird. 500 watt slug in PEP. Hello, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 500 watts in the corner. I'm going to roll the carrier all the way down. Hello, 1, 2, 1, 2. Still 500 in the corner, Kenneth. We're going to go over to sideband. Hello, 1, 2, 1, 2. Hello, audio. So around 450 on sideband. All right, Kenneth, it's ready to go, man. It's a bad mamma jamma. We're going to send this on down to Championship Country from your friend Truck at www.truckscbsales.com. Bum bum.